Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund and Money Mile present your goals, dreams and plans.
So if I look at us Indians and if I look at where we tend to invest, if you look at I think it's almost 114 lakh crore lying in bank deposits, look at Provident Fund, look at the government-led guaranteed schemes, small savings schemes. And if then you look at the mutual fund corpus, for example, it's a fraction of this overall number. So what does it tell you about Indian society behaviorally? Are we a risk-averse society? On the other hand, we are seeing growth of mutual funds, for example, at a fairly good clip. Of course, it keeps suffering every time markets go down, but by and large, there seems to be an uptrend. What does it tell you about society? That are we moving from being risk-averse to being a little bit risk-taking society, or is that still very small in percentage?
So I'm not very sure, though the long-term trend in mutual funds is upwards and the growth in mutual funds is also faster than the bank deposit growth. But I'm not 100% sure that people have shifted in terms of behavior, or it's just that a new investment vehicle is being embraced by people. Again, no data is there to prove whether the shift is from bank deposits to mutual funds or some of the
fresh income.
Or it could be fresh income, or it could also be some of the other unorganized sector avenues. Take for example, at one point in time, a lot of money used to go into chit funds. I don't know how much of that has come here. And in last few years, even money going into real estate or gold also has partially shifted towards mutual funds or financial savings per se. People continue to remain risk averse. So even in mutual funds, a lot of advisors that I meet, a lot of mutual fund distributors that I meet, they continuously keep getting the question, is my money safe? And when somebody asks this question, is my money safe? Almost everybody invariably talks about the safety of the capital. So to that extent, yes, I don't want to lose. And that takes us back to Kahneman and Tversky. People are not really risk averse, they are loss averse. I don't want to see the capital value going down at all. You see that behavior in mutual funds also. Whenever the market falls, for some period people are okay to wait, but beyond a point, you see redemptions increasing. So again, it comes back to the same aversion to.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.